Hello friends, my name is Rahil and in today's video we will discuss some invasive plants of New Brunswick, Canada. Now the question is, what are invasive species? Invasive species are plants, animals or microbes which are not native to the region and they tend to outcompete the native population for available resources. They often form dense populations and dominate the ecosystem. After the habitat loss, the invasive species are considered to be the second greatest threat to the global biodiversity and human cause most spread of the invasive species. It is important to note that the exotic species which significantly alter the ecosystem are in a very small minority, and there are very few which seems to have a negative impact on the biological diversity. I have identified few plants in the region, so let's check it out. Tansy ragwort or Senecio jacobea is a common weed in Great Britain. It has now spread to New Zealand and Australia as well as Canada. This plant spread by wind-borne seeds and root buds. Seed is a major factor in the rapid spread of ragwort, which can annually produce up to 150,000 seeds per plant. Tansy ragwort contains compounds which are very toxic to livestock, particularly cattle and horses. It causes a group of diseases called senesiosis. The toxins impede the function of animals' liver, which will eventually degenerate, resulting in the animal's death. Invasive plants are alien species whose introduction or spread negatively impact environment, the economy, and the society, including human health. The second invasive plant is Angelica sylvestris, which is native to Europe and Central Asia. This plant is similar to giant hogweed, a monster plant, and cow parsnip, a native plant. There are different categories of invasive plants. In category 1, they are called transformers. The transformer species exclude all other species and dominate the area indefinitely. These species are the major threat to the ecosystem. You need to know the identification of giant hogweed because it can cause potential human health issues. Its sap contains toxins that can, after exposure to sunlight, can cause significant dermatitis on sensitive individuals. Currently, there are very few confirmed locations where giant hogweed is growing in the New Brunswick province. Cow parsnip is a native plant. If anyone is interested to learn more about these plants, they can visit the following website. We all need to know that what is growing in our backyard. The third plant in the list is oxydaisy, which is introduced from Europe. Oxydaisy reproduces by seeds and underground stems. A single plant produces 26,000 seeds, and dispersal from parent plants lead to nearby infestations. Due to its unpleasant taste, most grazers avoid this plant, leaving it to spread easily within grazed grasslands, pastures, and rangelands. The greatest impact of oxydaisy is on forage production in pastures and meadows. Cattle avoid oxydaisy, and therefore any pasture infested with dense stands of oxydaisy will decrease forage available for grazing. Category 4 invasive plants are not immediate threat to the natural system, but they do compete with more desirable native species. These are some category 4 invasive plants. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or observation, please leave in the comment section below.